let us suppose we'll talk about any particular number. Let us suppose we are going to represent square root 9.3 on the number line. So the same steps we just need to follow to represent root x on the number line, like what we did before in representing the root x on the number line, or the steps that we have taken to represent root x on the number line. So let's just start with it. So let us suppose we are representing square root 9.3 on the number line. So the first step would be like, we just have to plot any particular distance of 9.3 on the number line. So let us suppose we are taking AB distance, which is nothing but 9.3. So let us suppose if we are talking about the number line, so we are starting from 0 and going towards 9.3. So 0 towards 9.3 is nothing but representing a distance AB, where A is at the point 0 on the number line. So AB is nothing but 9.3 is the step number 1. So after taking a distance AB as 9.3, we just have to extend the point B towards the point C, which is nothing of how many units? Of 1 units. So the steps would be like, we are starting from the point 0 of the number line, and we are making, or we are plotting a distance of 9.3 on the number line. After taking it, we are extending the point B towards the point C, and we are taking 1 unit from it. So the BC distance will be nothing of 1 unit. So now the further step would be like, we just have to find out the midpoint of this particular line segment AC. So let us suppose that midpoint is nothing but this point O. So taking OA and OC as the radius, so taking OA and OC as the radius, we just have to plot a semicircle, or we just have to draw a semicircle of this particular kind. Now from the point B, we just have to find out, or we just have to plot a particular perpendicular BD, which is nothing but perpendicular to the line AC, or we can say the line AB. So after it, we know that this BD perpendicular will definitely cuts this semicircle at this particular point, and this distance BD is nothing but square root of 9.3. This distance is nothing but square root 9.3. We can also prove it with the help of the same steps that I have taken before, or that I have taken while representing general root x on the number line. So let us suppose I am writing out all the steps that are taken in order to represent square root 9.3 on the number line. So let's just start all the steps that are involved in it. So let us suppose I'm talking about the step number 1. So taking A on a number line, taking A on a number line at the point 0, or at the number 0, let us suppose I'm saying that we have to take A on the number line in such a way that, let us suppose if I'm talking about taking the number line over here, so the point A will be at the point 0, or at the number 0. So taking A on a number line at the point 0, or we can say the number 0, draw a distance of 9.3 such that AB is nothing but is equal to 9.3. Further, point number 2, extend B to C such that BC is nothing but of 1 unit. Third point will be locate the midpoint of the line segment AC on the number line. Say at point O. Say. So let us suppose we are saying that the midpoint of this particular line segment is at the point O, let if, or say. So the fourth will be taking OA is equal to OC is equal to as a radius, draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle at the point O. So taking O as a center, and OA, OC as a radius, draw a semicircle. So we are drawing a semicircle. So the fifth point would be like, draw a perpendicular from the point B to D such that BD is perpendicular to AC. So the BD distance will be nothing but is equal to square root 9.3, which is our desired result. We can also prove it with the help of the same steps that we have taken in the before slide, that root 9.3 over here is nothing but representing, or root 9.3 distance, which is BD, is nothing but representing root 9.3 on the number line. So this is all about representing any square root x on the number line. So you can take any value of x over here and you can represent that particular number on the number line. So always remember this thing, that AC distance is on the number line, where the point A is at the number 0 on the number line.